This video is about the concept of sociology, so don't skip it and must watch complete video. Sociology is a subfield of social sciences. Here are several perspectives on defining sociology as a social science. 1. Sociology is the scientific and systematic study of groups and group interactions, societies and social interactions, from small and personal groups to very large groups. 2. Sociology is the study of human social relationships and institutions. 3. Sociology, a social science that studies human societies, their interactions, and the processes that preserve and change them. 4. Sociology is the study of the development, structure, and functioning of human society. 5. Sociology is the scientific analysis of a social institution as a functioning whole and as it relates to the rest of society. 6. Sociology is the scientific and systematic study of human society that focuses on society, human social behavior, patterns of social relationships, social interaction, and aspects of culture associated with everyday life. 7. The sociology of knowledge is the study of the relationship between human thought and the social context within which it arises, and of the effects prevailing ideas have on societies. 8. Sociology is a study of society, patterns of social relationships, social interaction, and culture of everyday life. 9. Sociology is a study of human behavior, how people behave to others. 10. Sociology is a study of society as a whole. Thanks for watching ARWorld2020. Subscribe the channel and press on bell icon for updating latest information.